Howdy. How are you on this fine day? Are you ready to subtract some fractions? Let's go. When we list out the multiples of 4 and 6, we see that 12 is the least common multiple, or the LCM. So we must change both fractions into twelfths. To make an equivalent fraction, we must multiply the top and bottom by the same number. 4 times what number equals 12? You are correct. It is 3. Multiply 2 by 3 across the top, and you will get 6. 2/4 equals 6/12. The next step is to turn 1/6 into something twelfths. 6 times what is 12? Correct. 2. Multiply the 1 on top by 2 and you will get 2, since you are multiplying by 1. 1/6 equals 2/12. It is now time to solve by subtracting and you are finished. 6/12 minus 2/12 equals 4/12. Wow! Super job!